Welcome to the PharmaVOICE 100 one-on-one video series with Taryn Groen.
Congratulations on being named to the 2020 PharmaVOICE 100.
Thanks, Taryn. This is a great honor and a great privilege, and really a reflection not only what I've done, but really all the work in collaboration with colleagues around the world. So thank you again.
Well, it's really well deserved, and thank you too for joining us for our 24-hour celebration marathon. So I have a couple of questions for you. First, tell me why elevating the patient voice, especially in the rare disease space, is so important to you.
Taryn, there's really a marked unmet need in the rare disease area. There's over 7,000 rare diseases, only 5% of treatments, and a lot of those treatments are really lacking. And this is also an area, at the end of the day, we're all patients. I've been fortunate in my career spanning a number of companies to really work on a number of rare diseases. One most memorable, before Tim Walbert, our CEO at Horizon Therapeutics, and I came on to the company, we were at a smaller biotech where we were able to get a product approved for osteosarcoma, a rare bone cancer in Europe. And where this really hit home is that my wife had a niece who died of osteosarcoma. And really, there's not a day that goes by that I think about if that product had been available for Stephanie, would it have made a difference in her life? So, for us, it's really personal. And at the end of the day, all of us are patients. And, more recently, thanks to this kind recognition of being selected to the PharmaVOICE 100, I was asked by colleagues, why I do what I do. And I told them I entered this industry as a physician because I believed I could have a greater impact on the health and well-being of others, particularly those with rare diseases, by developing innovative medicines. And again, every one of us knows a patient or has been a patient in need of treatment, and each one of us can and will continue to benefit from the scientific advances, whether they're in rare diseases or other diseases as well. So greatly appreciate the opportunity, and hopefully that addresses your question.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's terrific insights, and I'm sorry to hear about your niece. It's very tragic. Rare disease is so personal to those people who are in that community. As such, I really want to ask you, what is the biggest trend you're tracking right now in terms of rare disease?
Yeah, I think what we're seeing is much more visibility. Our company, Horizon Therapeutics, is really focused more and more on rare diseases because of that gap. Tim Walbert, our Chief Executive Officer, President, Chairman of our board, has been vocal about the fact that he himself suffers from 2 rare diseases and knows what it's like to really go through that day-to-day challenge and the impact that those diseases have on quality of life. So our focus is really to, address this and really raise an awareness, not only with what we do at Horizon, but our involvement in patient groups and organizations worldwide as well.
Well, thank you so much for all you do on behalf of those rare disease patients, and we want to wish you continued great success in your endeavors in finding more cures for these terrible diseases. And congratulations again on being named to the PharmaVOICE 100.
Well, thank you again, and I look forward to pulling an all-nighter with you.
Well, I love it. Thanks.
All right.
For more PharmaVOICE 100 content, visit www.pharmavoice100.com.